Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone 15 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to navigate into our settings, obviously. And you should be typically on the main settings page like this one. From here, you're going to scroll down to General, and then again scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone and select Erase All Content and Settings. This will then bring up a couple different things that will be erased. In terms of apps and data, that actually gives you the amount of apps and data that will be removed, though pressing on it, as you can see, does nothing. So anyway, we're going to select Continue right here. You could back up your device. I'm going to select Skip Backup. And you will need to put in your Apple ID password here, so you can basically sign out, because apparently unlocking the device is not enough of an indication that you're the actual user of this device, and you should be able to reset it. Now you also need to confirm it with a password, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we're going to select Turn Off, and for some reason it didn't sign out. Oh, there we go. Are you sure you want to erase all data? This cannot be undone. Yeah, I want to erase all data. Now we have two different options. So have keep eSIM and erase data, or delete eSIM and erase data. If you use an eSIM, then depending on what you want to do with this device, if you want to get rid of it, sell it, then you will want to select delete eSIM. It's basically the digital version of your SIM card. Obviously, you wouldn't want to sell the device with that still being in the device, remembered by the device. But if you're just resetting it for the sake of resetting it and you're still going to be using it with the same SIM card, then you might want to select keep eSIM. I don't, so I'm going to select delete eSIM as well, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now, because it's iPhone, it's going to take a bit longer than you might expect for this to happen, if I remember correctly, so it might be up to like 5 minutes for it to reset. Hopefully it's not that much. Once it's finished, we'll then be presented with the setup screen for our device. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.